Are you tired of endlessly searching for the perfect trading strategy to boost your profits? Look no further, because today we're bringing you a game-changing trading strategy shared by a millionaire trader. This expert has spent years perfecting his craft and has amassed a fortune from his successful trades. Get ready to learn the insider secrets that have made them millions and discover how you can apply these strategies to your own trading portfolio. The best part? This trading strategy isn't just for seasoned traders with years of experience. It's simple enough for anyone to use, whether you're a beginner or a pro. And what's more, it's effective on all markets, so you can use it to trade stocks, Forex, commodities, and more. You don't need to spend hours poring over complex charts or studying endless technical indicators. This strategy is straightforward, easy to follow, and best of all, it works. Whether you're looking to make a quick profit or build a long-term trading portfolio, this strategy is the key to unlocking your full potential as a trader. Get ready to take your trading game to the next level. The strategy we're about to present to you is based on an indicator called TDI, which stands for Traders Dynamic Index. Be sure to select this one, created by Bromley. Developed by Dean Malone, the TDI is a versatile and powerful trading indicator that combines several popular indicators into one comprehensive tool. The TDI indicator is based on three main components: the RSI, moving averages, and Bollinger Bands. By combining these three indicators, the TDI provides traders with a more comprehensive view of the market, making it easier to identify trends and potential trading opportunities. The RSI component of the TDI measures the strength of the current trend, while the moving averages component provides a smoother view of the market by filtering out short-term fluctuations. The Bollinger Bands component helps to identify potential breakouts, as well as overbought and oversold conditions. One of the key benefits of the TDI is its ability to adapt to different market conditions. Unlike other trading indicators that may work well in certain market conditions but fail in others, the TDI is designed to work in all types of markets, including trending, ranging, and choppy markets. Using the TDI is relatively straightforward. Traders look for crossovers between the red and green lines, which indicate changes in market momentum. A bullish crossover occurs when the green line crosses below the red line, while a bearish crossover occurs when the red line crosses below the green line. The TDI also has a yellow line, which is used to confirm the strength of the current trend. For our trading strategy, we will have to make some changes to this indicator. So open the inputs and change the RSI period to 14, the band length to 35, the fast MA to 2, and the slow MA to 14. Then open the style section and make the lines more visible. Disable the levels. The next step is to add two more indicators to the chart to fully complete our strategy. Open the indicators one more time and look for a smoother moving average. Pick this one right here. For the second indicator, add the weighted moving average. Open the settings of the smooth MA and change its length to 200. Make the line more visible. Adjust the settings of the weighted MA as well. Change its length to 150 and its color to yellow. When the weighted MA crosses the smooth MA to the upside, a long-term uptrend is confirmed. When the weighted MA crosses the smooth MA to the downside, a long-term downtrend is in place. So how exactly should we use these indicators to replicate millionaire traders' success? Well, here's the exact strategy. For a long trade, wait for the weighted MA to cross the smooth MA to the upside. This is rule number 1. Then the price must pull back to the weighted MA by touching or closing below it. During the pullback, the RSI red line of the TDI indicator must get outside the lower Bollinger Bands line. Finally, to confirm a long entry, the red line must cross above the green line while the price is closed above the weighted moving average. Open a long trade and set the stop loss below the recent swing low. If you trade on shorter time frames, leave sufficient room for your stop loss. Set 2 take-profit targets. The first target is set at 1-to-1 risk-reward. As soon as the price reaches it, take half of your position off and move the stop loss to the break-even. Set the second target at 2-to-1 risk-reward. Traders, don't forget to leave a like to this video if you are enjoying this trading strategy. It means so much to us. Okay, let's find some more long trades. You can see that this method of finding trade entries works almost every time. You cannot go wrong with this strategy because it uses smart risk management. Now let's check if it works on a higher time frame such as 30 minutes. You can see for yourself that the strategy has a high probability of successful entry. Sometimes the second profit target doesn't get triggered, but that's fine, we still make money. For short trades, the rules are exactly opposite. First, wait for the downtrend to be confirmed. This happens when the weighted MA crosses below the smooth MA. Second, the price needs to touch or cross the weighted MA. During this pullback, the RSI red line must get outside the upper Bollinger Band. Lastly, to confirm a long entry, the red line must cross the green line to the downside. If the price is closed below the moving average at the time the cross occurs, you can open a short position. The trade should be skipped if the price is closed above the moving average. Place a sell order if the rules are met. Set the stop loss order above the recent swing high. Just like with long trades, set the first target at 1-to-1 risk reward. As soon as it is reached, move the stop loss to break even and set the second target at a risk reward of 2-to-1. Now let's find some more valid short entries. Take note of how effective this strategy can be in different market conditions. So give this strategy a try, but don't forget to test it first on a demo account. Thanks for watching. Until next time.